Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy with the Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. Guys, you know, in my previous video I decorate my living room, my entryway. Now I'm decorating my dining area guys. Thanksgiving is around the corner guys. I'm sharing with you a great table setting that you may use for gathering with your family and friends. Guys, as you can see, a lot of things that I'm using in this video I already have them at home, and the only thing that is new is the branches that I'm going to use in my centerpiece. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY, home decor. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Today guys, I wanted to go something neutral, a little bit of gold, white, and you know, all the good stuff. Alright guys, those chargers, I already have them home like I said, and those beautiful plates, they are simple. I got them a while ago but I haven't used them yet. If you are someone like me that loves shopping, and you might forget on a lot of things like I always have things I don't even remember that I have them. So today is the day I bring those beautiful plates outside so I can create this beautiful tablescape for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep on watching.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go.
Okay guys, this is a finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.